Good morning, good morning. Welcome guys, APG.Studio. My name is Alicia and we're ready for 5 minutes yoga stretching, good morning style. Okay, so you can even doing in your bed. So first, just lay down on your back, bring your knees to your chest and slowly rock side to side. Control your breaths. Back to center, inhale, arms up. Slowly bring by your side. Inhale. And exhale. And now one leg. Inhale and exhale, try to lift and stretch. Inhale and exhale. Grab your left. And now right leg. Inhale and exhale. Remember, your knee could be bent if it's too much stretching back of your right leg. Inhale and exhale. Change your side. Inhale, move out. And exhale, bring in. Inhale and exhale. Feet on the floor or on the ground, on your bed maybe. Inhale, arms up. Lift your hips and slowly roll your spine from top to bottom. Inhale and exhale. And now right, cross over your left and let's rock from the center to your left. Inhale, center. Slowly exhale to your left side. And now your left. Inhale. Exhale to your right. Inhale and exhale. And now right leg straight, pull your left to your right, inhale, slowly exhale. And now left is straight, pull your right. Inhale and exhale. Keep smiling. Back to center. Arms over your head. Stretch your arms, legs, all your muscles from your fingers to your toes. From your heels to your fingers. Arms to your side. Place your feet down. And slowly let's roll on your side. And slowly sit. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale. Okay, so thank you. That was a 5 minutes good morning yoga. So I hope you enjoy all the stretches and you're feeling very positive to start your amazing day. So if you enjoyed this session, please give it a thumbs up. And any comments how the stretchings work for you, especially in the morning, to really energize your body and start this positive mood. Subscribe, please subscribe if you're watching first time. Turn on notification to be informed about more videos coming. Bye guys, have a lovely day.